Guys, here are basic mathematics every student needs to know. Starting with the sign rule, minus times minus equals to plus, plus times minus equals to minus, minus times plus is minus, and plus times plus is plus. Then if we take it to division, minus divided by plus is minus, plus divided by minus will be minus, minus divided by minus will give you plus, and then plus divided by plus will give you plus. So these are basic rules students should know. Then another thing, you should also know that minus has a greater power than plus. What is that telling you? If a negative number is multiplying a positive number, that positive number automatically becomes negative. And then let's come to infinity. Infinity is talking about continuity, no end. And let's talk about absolute values. So the concept of absolute values brings to our mind that a negative number being squared automatically becomes positive. So what does that bring to our mind? If you are given a negative number and that number happens to be squared, so automatically that number becomes positive. The reason for this is the square. That's just the truth. Money ma. So the reason for this is the square. So that's to tell you that when a negative number is squared, it automatically becomes positive. The concept of absolute values. Some other basic mathematics are also multiplication, or the concept of multiplication. Yes. So for the concept of multiplication, one thing you should master as a student, if you could master your 2 times table to your 12 times table, I don't think you have an issue with maths. So because all other numbers that are formed are within those numbers. Another secret or basic thing you should know about mathematics is long division. As a student who struggle with mathematics, long division will teach you the first step in long division is division. That's the first step. The next step under that is multiplication under long division, and the next step under long division is subtraction. Okay, so by learning long division or know how to do long division, you've already learned 3 operations already. So you can't jump these basics and now say, okay, you want to start solving things like quadratic equation, simultaneous equation. You still need this knowledge, because without them, you cannot carry out these simple or basic operations. So guys, it's just a fact. Then Like I said in one of my videos, you have to first of all know simple equation. Are you getting it? Alright, before we talk about fractions, before we are talking about calculus. So basic mathematics every student needs to know. Thank you guys for watching. I see you in my next video. So if you love my post, if you love my post and you like to see more of this, I'd like you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, I dish out wonderful stuff which will be very, very helpful to you academically and more pertaining to mathematics. Do I still intend going to other areas, but basically this is where we are for now. Thank you so much for joining me on this channel. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. See you in my next video.